How to get Inazuma in Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to get Inazuma in Genshin Impact. So in that case you have to follow several steps. So for that, first of all, make sure that you're already logged into your Genshin Impact, and also make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now, Inazuma is only reason in Genshin Impact locked behind an arc request, meaning that you can't just get a trek across. So there are occasional glitch found that allowing you to get Inazuma early in Genshin Impact, but they all eventually get patched. You can also get around the quest requirement if you use a character with an ability that shows walk across water and all that. So to get Inazuma in Genshin Impact, you'll have to be adventure rank 30 and start chapter 1 of Immovable Court Eternal Ithumia. So you should complete up to at least the Retoscape plan part of this Encore quest, as you can't leave Rita and explore the rest of Inazuma until you do. So that's how you can get Inazuma in Genshin Impact. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.